Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share how you can have access to this free course that is for Amazon Elastic Container Service, also known as AWS ECS Service. That is very important if you are looking for containerization or you are looking to learn for Kubernetes services related to AWS. So what exactly this service is? It's a highly scalable and fast container management service. So it's responsible for managing the life cycle of container, starting from creating, running till it's get down. So ECS is designed to be a familiar, or we can say the simpler alternative to some of the other more complex container orchestrators like Kubernetes, Hashicorp, Nomad and Apache Mesos. So it's a good thing that now you have chance to learn this important service in just 1 hour. So what you will get in this course, let's see directly on the portal. So what you need to do, you just need to go through this link that I'll share in description box. Just click on that one, enroll for this one. As it is mentioned, it is totally free. There are 5 lessons and 22 topics. It is not only the theoretical videos here. We will get the practical knowledge as well through the demos, and whole course is just of 1.25 hours. So what you will learn what exactly the ECS service is, what is the basics of ECS service, how it is different from the other container orchestrators. Then we will learn about how we can deploy a two-tier containerized application, and also we will learn about ECS load balancer. So if we will go down, you can see the content of this course. It is from the very basic, and if you will go further down, you can see so many lots of demos. So you will have the practical hands-on knowledge, and this learning will help you to keep remember these things for longer period of time. And trust me, this is very important service. So just you need to enroll and start your learning. So I hope you find this video helpful. For similar video, don't forget to click on subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends so they can also enroll and learn together. So see you in the next video.